Hi guys, it's Liz again, and we're back again for another video, unboxing video. This time we're going to be tackling the Zoid RMZ-03 Command Wolf. If you've been following any of my social media, you've noticed that I've actually bought 3 of these kits. I have plans to have a little squad unit going on, but at the moment I don't know if I want to paint them in a same theme, or maybe go ahead and keep one white, paint one as the Empire Command Wolf, or even Brad's Command Wolf. I wouldn't even bother trying to do the Irvine Command Wolf, just because we already know we've got a pre-order release for an Irvine custom. So yeah. So as you can see, box art, lovely. First thing I noticed when I opened up the box is that this one is a lot thinner content wise compared to the Blade Liger and Genosaura. Has a lot of range of mobility, I can see, and this is what I really look forward to. I don't zoom in again a bit, but because one thing, because comparing it to the Koto HMM Command Wolf, which I love, I feel like its biggest downfall was the paws, because you couldn't really move them. And just but you can see if you can see on that photo how articulate the paws are, so they actually have a downward range rather than just being a flat out thing. But usually, well, for a start, it's a very good sign. Box art, the box, gives you a little bit of backstory about the Command Wolf and where it was used. Other than that, there's not much of interest on the box itself to look at. Unlike the Blade Liger and Genosaura, the Command Wolf looks like as though it doesn't come with any effect parts, but I'm sure people would find a way to for the dioramas to create nice effects. So just go ahead and open this up. Over there. Yeah, this one, first impression, already there's not a lot in here. Good handful of runners at the body, and obviously we've got our manual. Take a look at that. Oh, very lovely. That's hopefully a bit better. Yep. So just going to give a brief jump cut to me opening these packets. Okay, jump cut done. And for starters, definitely not many kits. There's about runners, trees, part trees, whatever lingo floats your boat. There's only 8 runners entirely for this kit, which makes sense. When I purchased these kits, they were only about £20 each. I'm not sure how much that is in US dollars. I'm going to have a rough estimate saying it's about $25 to 30. So small kit. See if anything, if you see in my previous video on the Genosaura, there was actually an error. Printing error in the manual, so they had to include a leaflet to correct the mistake. But just briefly opening this, and there's no error slip, so that's a good start. Yeah, so as usual, you've got your index on your runners and clear, precise instructions on how to build the kit. I would imagine for anyone, well, I was going to say, for anyone who, an experienced builder will probably knock this out in a day, but I'm sure, to be honest, the level of it, anyone could probably get this knocked out in a day, or less than a day, even painted and built in a day. But yeah, honestly, it looks very solid, design-wise. Again, like I've done with the other kits, I'm going to be scanning this line art in, for colour template purposes. And then also, as usual, you've obviously got your colour guide for if you wanted to paint it. I think I've mentioned in a previous video that they usually the codes are for Mr. Hobby colour paints, so you can colour match it exactly. But other than that, I don't know much else you need. And try and get that thing. Some nice poses. Yeah, take a look at the runners. See, you've got some black caps. Try and move this light a bit. Do apologise, the camera's a lot higher than the lights itself. Black caps. You've got your P runner, so your PCP parts. Again, quite soft plastic, but standard fare. You've got your white, so you've got your armour and your paws. What I like about this is obviously, you know, I'm so used to seeing the RMZ Zoids that, you know, you're actually getting the classic Tomy details, especially with the head, which is quite good. I'm quite loving the paws. Just like nice classic ones. And you've got the rest of the armour there. And let's see, what's this? Oh, some shoulder pads. Shoulder armour. A separate runner. You got your two orange canopies. I still need to make a video or at least take a photo to see if these are actually UV reactive. But I imagine they would be. But it's a shame, if anyone's been getting like the repackaged version of the HMM Command Wolf, you'll know that they package these now with dropped it again, orange or brown or clear parts. The clear parts make it easier for using translucent paint to obviously customise your kit. Let's see, black runner. You've got your gun, the 50mm anti-Zoid weaponry, and your what they call it, smoke launchers, like for smoke grenades. Kind of disappointed that the weaponry is one solid piece of, it's just one solid piece. It's not like you have your midsection and then you attach your guns separately. So there's not going to be much range of motion for those, for like weapon positions, which is a shame, but I guess it doesn't really need to be, I would say. And then your last runner here is obviously, you know, for the body, your legs, it's the standard grey. It's got the more modernised AZ sort of design to it. So it's a little bit more organic, but it definitely doesn't look as organic as the Blade Liger did. And yeah, that's that for this kit. Looking forward to the next ones. If you haven't seen already, starting April, maybe today, maybe in the next few weeks, they're going to be announcing the pre-orders for the RMZ Iron Kong, which I was not expecting. Though then again, it's been a while since I've seen the lookup for it. But the one I'm most interested in seeing out of this RMZ lined up is the Infinity Liger. Is it the Infinity Liger? Yeah. Since that didn't get a proper model release. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I am sure to read them. And if you have any colour scheme ideas for these Command Wolves, I will be very happy to hear them. Anyway, I hope you have a good day, and goodbye.